Are you still worried about the installation? Identification lines. Hi guys, I'm Tony from LC Sign. If you need a light sign product that doesn't require much installation, I highly recommend this. Check it out, this are conductive glass sign here. Carefully selected high quality material with the whole sign single piece of conductive glass. The content with letters and patterns are all composed of acrylic material. The LED panel inside makes conductive glass emit uniform light, which is energy saving and environmentally friendly. The glass is completely cut with flat and smooth sides of high safety. Wiring installation is hassle-free with plug in the back of the base and light it up. You can also customize content related to your business on the glass, including name, text, logo, and other information. The size and color can also be designed according to your actual needs. It is very suitable to be placed in the store as an exclusive label of your business. It is fashionable, personalized, and easy to use. What kind of business do you have for this conductive glass sign? Comment to let us know and follow LC Sign.